Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2018 SEMA Show, and I came across a 72 Mazda R100. Now, you know I don't shoot a lot of imports, but I also believe cool is cool, and this thing is cool. So anyways, let me get the camera turned around. We'll take a quick look at it. Rod, thanks so much for giving me time to tell me about your hot rod.
This year for SEMA, we brought a 1972 Mazda R100. Has a force-fed performance-built 20B 3-rotor with a BorgWarner SX400 72mm turbo. Right now at low boost, 18 PSI, it's making just over 700 at the wheels. Car weighs just over 2,300 pounds. Has a one-of-a-kind, we built a body kit, wide body for it. Full chromoly chassis, quick change winner's rear end. Has some very unique rear wheels that house 2 tires and share the same air.
It's a dually, but it's not.
It's dually, but it's not. We call it a twin rim, and because it's actually basically a Siamese twin wheel, and that share the same air, and it gives me the footprint, the small diameter rotating mass that I was looking for the car for the performance, and the footprint on the ground that we need to hook up the 700 horsepower. Yeah.
So what made this come about?
The R100 has been one of my favorite cars since I was in high school. They're definitely hard to find nowadays. I found this one almost 11 years ago. I've been sitting on it, waiting to figure out exactly how I wanted to build it, and then finally took the time and just actually built the car.
Is it a street car or is it a race car?
It's street legal. I built it for Optima type events, time attack, solo events, stuff like that, and just for me to purely enjoy.
Right on.
So
yeah, it's a cool car. Tell me about the interior.
It's as sparse as it can get. The transmission's inside with me. It has a S1 sequential shifter on the T56 Magnum transmission. It's running on a Microtech EFI system, LT16, with the rest of the wiring is handled by SpeedWire. Everything in the car is exposed, fuel system wiring, electronics, so it's easy to work on and so everybody can see what makes it all happen. There's a acrylic floor in the rear so you can see all the BSB manufacturing suspension and the winner's diff right through the top and the back window. It runs on E85 methanol, and it's a handful to drive.
I bet it is.
It's a lot of fun.
I bet it is.
Yeah.
Well, brother, it's a cool car, man. Thanks so much for giving me some time
Yeah,
today.
thanks for shooting it, Scotty.
All right.
Thank you so much.
So there you go from the 2018 SEMA Show, 1972 Mazda R100. Very cool car, you know. I don't shoot a lot of imports, but I do live by the rule, cool is cool, and you gotta admit that is cool. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.